So this is how to scale your digital marketing as a B2B SaaS company. Well, you have a product and you have initial customers. Great. Now what? So let's look at two paths and then discuss how you can, scale them. There's organic traffic, which means you do content or SEO, and you scale by just simply doing more of it. And you get them into what I call an autonomous conversion multiplier, which is in case of organic traffic. For example, you have a landing page where you move that traffic, or you could also have webinars where you show those prospects why your product or how your product could help them achieve their desired future state. So this will help, create leverage in your business. Then they get on demos, on trials. They talk to you and you sell to them and they convert to a paid customer. Whereas with paid traffic, you either get more ads running or you increase, the monetary volume that those ads can, consume, so that they reach more people. Or in the case of cold emails, you buy more infrastructure, so more inboxes, more leads for the inboxes to handle. And something of note is that cold calling, in my opinion, is pretty cumbersome to scale, as you need to hire out or get an agency to do cold calling for you. So in the end, you get more traffic / more volume into autonomous conversion multipliers, which in that case could also be a landing page, a sales funnel, also a webinar in very, let's say, exotic cases, as this isn't very something that people do in most cases. Then again, you get demos, you get trials that convert into paid customers. And a few remarks on scaling is that in order to do that successfully, you need something called a UVP, or a unique value proposition, that is the clearest in the market. As with that, there would be no problem being in the reddest ocean imaginable with thousands of competitors that are preying on the same traffic and that are trying to convert the same leads, as those leads, when they come to you, they instantly see the value. They don't need to think, what do those benefits or those features mean for me? They already have the answer that are also catered to emotions, as people buy with emotions. And then they justify it with logic, which is something very common for us marketers to know, per se. So yeah, this is a very short overview on how to scale, which a very prompt TLDR is more traffic, which means either more content or more money put into ads or into a more complex, let's say, system of cold emails. And if you have any more questions regarding scaling in your scenario, please feel free to reach out by either commenting or by DMing me on LinkedIn. I'm always happy to help.